Okay, so you're gonna put the double seasoning inside. Yeah. Got it. Okay. Is that enough? Okay. Okay, the pasta verbs are in. And that's enough for our pastas, right? Okay. Okay.
And then you turn the temperature to
Oh, okay.
number 8.
Okay.
And then you have to wait till it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, you have to put in the pasta.
Okay. And I can see that the stove is about to be hot, right? Okay. Okay, so you now put the garlic in, right?
Yeah.
So, and is that the garlic that you're holding?
Yeah.
Okay. The garlic is still in the pan, right?
Yeah.
I can even smell it. It
Yeah.
smells good.
That's
How's it coming?
looks good.
That's good. It's getting steamy. The pasta. You can't see the pasta, but it's in the pot.
Oh, it's almost.
It has this plate here. And I have my plate here. Okay, let me see if I can pour mine with the Parmesan cheese.
You're telling me.
Yeah.
Any help with the cheese?
Yeah. There we go. There we go.
Dad, you want more?
Yeah.
Dad, let me know if it's